I had filament everywhere, on my printer, on my other printer, basically in random piles all over the room. Then I found out this €10 Ikea shelf can hold 21 spools, so naturally I bought two. And after one tiny 3D printed upgrade, this thing stores 42 rolls of filament for less than a third of the price of the BIQU Panda storage shelf. My filament storage situation got completely out of control. Every time I needed a spool, I had to dig through piles like some kind of Pelé archaeologist. And once you start collecting different materials and colors, it escalates quickly. Then I noticed something interesting. The Ikea Vesken shelf is almost the perfect width for standard 1 kg filament spools. One shelf fits 7 spools. That means a single unit stores 21 spools for only €10. But of course, one shelf wasn't enough. I found this spacer design on Printables that lets you connect two Vesken shelves together. So I printed the spacers, attached the second shelf, and suddenly this thing could hold 42 spools. Now, obviously, the BIQU Panda storage shelf is sturdier because it's metal and looks more premium, but it costs around €60 and stores 45 spools. The IKEA setup stores 42 for around €20 in total. So depending on what you want, this might actually be the better value. And that's the final setup. For around €20 total and about 200 grams of filament, this rack now stores 42 standard 1 kg filament spools while taking up surprisingly little space. It's obviously not as heavy duty as a full metal shelf, but for the price, it's honestly hard to beat. And if moisture is a concern, you can still keep your filament in sealed bags while storing everything on a rack. For €20, this is honestly one of the best upgrades I've done for my print setup. And considering how fast my filament collection keeps growing, I'll probably need another one soon. If you are into 3D printing upgrades, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching and see you next time.